everybody, today I want to share with you Little Red and the Very Hungry Lion by Alex Smith. Now this is what we call like a fractured fairy tale because you've heard of Little Red Riding Hood, and this one is Little Red. Okay, this is Little Red. Today she is going to be gobbled up by a lion. This is the lion. Well, that's what he thinks is going to happen anyway. One hot morning, Aunt Rosie woke up covered in spots. There was only one thing for them, spot medicine. Ring, 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 ring. Oh dear, said Little Red when she heard the news. I'll come right away. So she put some spot medicine in her basket and waved goodbye to her daddy. It was a long way to Aunt Rosie's house. Little Red walked under the giraffes, and past the sleepy crocodiles, and past the chattering monkeys. She crept around the termite mounds and under the leaping gazelles, and she caught a ride on an elephant. There's the elephant. Wiggled her way around the hippos and the warthogs and waved hello to the meerkats. Then she sat down in the shade of a shady tree, and that's when the lion arrived, the very hungry lion. Oh, hello, purred the lion. Where are you going? To visit my auntie who is covered in spots, said Little Red. In the time it took his tummy to rumble, the very hungry lion had cooked up a very naughty plan. My very clever plan, thought the lion. Sneak off to Aunt Rosie's house, hide her in a cabinet, dress up in Aunt Rosie's clothes, wait for a bit, jump up and eat Little Red, eat Aunt Rosie for dessert. Well done, you are a very clever lion. And he rushed off to put his plan into action. When he arrived, the very hungry lion stuffed Aunt Rosie in a cabinet and locked the door. Then he squeezed himself into one of her nightgowns and covered himself all over with spots. Of course, when Little Red arrived, she realized right away it wasn't Aunt Rosie sitting in the bed. She quickly looked around and spotted her auntie peeking through a gap in the cabinet. Then Little Red decided that she was going to teach that naughty lion a lesson. Oh, Auntie, said Little Red, what tangled hair you have. And before the very hungry lion could even lick his lips, Little Red had brushed and combed and twisted and braided again until the lion had a very lovely new look. This was not part of the lion's plan, so he opened up his mouth wide. Disgusting, shouted Little Red. What gigantic, grimy teeth you have, Auntie. Look how dirty they are. And Little Red made the very hungry lion brush and brush and brush until his teeth were sparkling. Oh, Auntie, said Little Red, what an old nightgown you are wearing. And before the very hungry lion knew it, Little Red found a much prettier dress for him to wear. This was not part of the lion's plan either. Stop! Yelled the lion. I am a very hungry lion, and my tummy is grumbling. Little Red pointed her finger. Well, trying to eat children and aunties is very naughty. If you were hungry, all you had to do was ask for some food. The very hungry lion let Auntie Rose out of the cabinet and said, sorry, ever so politely. Little Red gave Auntie Rose the spot medicine, which worked immediately. Then the three of them gobbled up a whole basket of donuts together. The lion ate 5. Soon it was beginning to get dark, and the lion walked all the way back home with Little Red on his very best behavior. He promised to never, ever, ever try to eat another auntie or any children. But he might be tempted to eat Daddy. No, bad kitty, said Little Red. And there they are playing together. The end. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to let you know that for your craft, you're going to find a package that has different colored shapes. And this is a STEM program in which you're supposed to make a lion. And this is how my lion turned out. And then you also have a surprise craft, okay? So that is what's in your craft bag today. Don't forget to come and get it. Take care. Bye-bye.